Cordless bag sewing machine with dual 21-volt 4 amperes batteries for longer runtime. Let's check the product. We have a nice bag. There we go. User manual. Handles 0.2 to 10 millimeter materials, including woven bags, kraft paper, canvas, and burlap. 21-volt batteries. Here are some of the attachments and tools. Adapter. Here is the machine. This is wonderful. Oh, check this out. Everything is together. 280 watts brushless motor delivers fast, efficient stitching with reduced maintenance. Lightweight, ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during extended use. Complete kit includes batteries, needles, chargers, thread, tools, and storage bags. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's put the battery. Ooh, check this out. It is very fast. Here we have all the instructions. And here is the schematic diagram. Part name and number of the control diagram. This is very simple, guys, as you can see. Here is how you're gonna replace the needle. And pitch and stitch adjustment. There we go. You can adjust it from here. And needle replacement. Automatic cutting. Whenever you're done with it, this area is gonna cut the rope. I found something. I'm gonna go ahead and tear it apart. I'm gonna go ahead and stitch this. I'm just gonna put it right there. And check it out from here. And automatically it's gonna cut from here. That's it. Let's check it out. Perfect. And this is very strong. Now there are 4 layers. Let's try that one. It is very fast and very strong. I really like it. I want to do it again. There you go. 3, 2, 1. That's it. This is thicker than the bag that we did it before. Well, let's try this one. Oh my god, look at that. Now we're gonna go ahead and sew this. Alrighty, we can go ahead and start. Okay, now we can go ahead and check the results. There we go. And we're gonna look at it from outside. There we go. We need to iron it. That's it. If you want to adjust it manually, you can do so. You see? You're able to control it from here. Here's the area. You can just lift it right there and then put it right over here. Then you can go ahead and close it. That way it's gonna be easy. Here is the area. You can make the stitch loosen or tighten. Let's do the same thing and check it out. You see, this is tightened. Let's see, right now I loosen this area, and let's try it. Let's try it. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this area. Do the same thing again and see the difference. There we go. You can see the difference between them. This is tight, this is loosen. If you want to change the needle, you're just gonna use this area to lift the needle, and then go ahead and unscrew this and take the old one and put the new one and screw it back, and it's gonna continue. You see, right now it is too tight and you can see the stitch. Let's make it loosen like that and do the same thing. Alrighty, let's cut it and show you the difference between them. Alright, this is the tight and this is loosen. Here's the last thing I'm going to show you. This is the charging place area. Now it's green, now it's red. That means it's charging. Let's open this area. And it says refuel every 2 hours if you're using it. This is the area, brushless motor. And this area is adjustable to carry it freely. See? You can carry it like this. That's very convenient. Let's see. There's the belt. And this is for the oil, tool, Allen wrenches, and extra screws. And these are some of the extra tools. And here we have the needles. These are replacements.